Hello, today I'll show you how to replace the carburetor on a Stihl FS 45. First, you'll need to take off the intake cover and the air filter. You'll need an 8mm socket to take the intake cover off the carburetor. Next, you need to take the fuel lines off the carburetor. Make sure you take a picture of them so it's easier to put them on next time. Now you need to take the throttle cable off the carburetor, slide it off the studs, and compare your new carburetor with your old carburetor. If they are the same, go forward. If they look different, send your carburetor back and get the correct one. Now you need to reconnect the throttle cable and make sure your gasket is on your studs behind the carburetor. Now slide your carburetor onto your studs and reconnect the fuel lines. Make sure you connect your fuel lines properly. If not, you'll be sucking gas in your intake or in your return line, and that will dirty your screen inside your carburetor, and you'll need to either rebuild it or replace it in the future a lot faster than you would have to. Now, you need to make sure there's a gasket on the front of the carburetor or on the back of the intake cover. Now reinstall the intake cover and bolt it on with an 8mm socket. At this stage, I would recommend pressing the primer bulb a few times until it fills up with fuel. If it does not fill up with fuel, make sure you have fuel in the tank. If not, there might be something wrong with your carburetor and you should check it out. After you bolt on the intake cover, replace your air filter and close the cover. You have just completed this repair. Thanks for watching. I'll show you it running in a minute.